Hello kids, welcome to today's art and craft section. So in today's art and craft section we are going to draw and color an aquarium. So in aquarium there are many fishes, alright? So before starting we have to draw a rectangle like this. First of all, draw a rectangle, and after that we have to draw some fishes and some plants in it. Okay, so let's start. And one thing, don't forget that you have to do this in your drawing notebook. Okay, children? So let's start with our aquarium. First of all, make us big, small fishes. A different size fishes you have to make like this. Here is one big fish. Like this, make a wave and its wings and some bubbles like this. Okay, and one small fish. Same as we have made earlier, and some bubbles. Like this you have to make a different sized fishes in the aquarium. Okay children, like this. Now we will draw some plants into it. First of all, make a wave like this. Okay, again one bigger one, one smaller one, again this smaller one like this. Okay, first of all a bigger wave like this, smaller, again this smaller, and the next to it just make a stone, and the next to it make a small stones like this. Like this we have made, and after that make a small wave so that it looks like a water in it. Okay, like this. Okay children, so that it's look like a water. Like this you have to make it. And now let's color this aquarium. So first of all, let's color the leaves in the aquarium. That is, with the green color we are going to color the leaves like this. Fill the leaves with a green color. Okay, like this. Have you got it? And don't forget children, you have to do this in your drawing notebook. So here I colored the leaf with the green, and for the stones, here we can see the stones we are going to color with the black color. Okay, you can take any of the color, that means black, brown, you can use any of them. Here I am using the black. Okay, like this. Fill the stone with the black color. Okay, like this. And now let's color the fishes. Here I am using the red. Fill one fish with the red color. Like this. And for the other fish I am using yellow. You can use as color which you like. And for the other I am using the blue. Using the blue color, fill the fish with the blue color. Like this. And at the last I am using the green. Okay. And for the water, as we have to color the water or the aquarium with a light blue color. Make a light color, don't make it so dark. Okay. Fill the color lightly so that it looks like a water. Okay, like this. Don't make it so dark. Like this, you have to fill the aquarium with the blue color, okay? Light blue color, not the dark one, okay? Okay, we have finished the coloring of the aquarium and the wave which we have made. If you have the sketch pen, then you can use the sketch pen to make the waves like this. It's not compulsory. If you have, then use it. Like this. Okay, like this you have to complete the aquarium. And don't forget, you have to do this in your drawing notebook. Then bye, we will see in the next session.